Why does that $200 serum sit on your skin without sinking in? The truth is that your 10-step routine might be doing more harm than good. We're looking at a $150 billion marketing trap built on empty promises. You want that glass skin glow, but you might just be suffocating your pores. Every layer you add could be creating a barrier you didn't even ask for. The $150 billion beauty industry thrives on selling you more layers. Most people assume more products mean more glow, but the skin has a limit. In reality, overlayering often suffocates the skin instead of treating it. Think of it like building a massive skyscraper on a foundation made of sand. We are going to stop this cycle and start practicing true skin architecture. Manual labor creates a physical callus to protect your hands from damage. Your face builds a chemical callus when you layer too many heavy products. This invisible layer of waste prevents expensive nutrients from reaching cells. It consists of oxidized oils, unabsorbed polymers, and trapped dead skin. Your luxury serum is effectively bouncing off a hard artificial shield. The real reason your routine fails comes down to a 5-second window. Your skin's pH balance determines if the surface is open or closed to care. If the pH is off, that $200 ampoule is sitting on a locked door. Skipping one simple step makes the most expensive liquids a total waste. You aren't buying a glow, you are essentially buying expensive sewage. Let's pivot from product consumption to a method called skin architecture. The first rule is to treat the day in 2 completely functional phases. Morning routines are about preparation, while night is for deep recovery. You don't need 10 steps to face the world. 3 are actually enough. Start with a low pH cleanser to keep the natural oils your skin produced. Step 2 is the pH reset, which softens the callus and opens the gate. This signals to your cells that it is finally okay to absorb nutrition. Finish with a light seal to lock in the hydration without oily coatings. Never use heavy creams before makeup if you want the foundation to last. Your skincare job is finished once that vital moisture is safely locked in. At night, your skin is exhausted from pollution, UV rays, and daily stress. This recovery phase requires 5 steps to restore the protective barrier. We use targeted actives like adenosine for wrinkles or vitamin C for tone. Choose ingredients based on your goal, not just a generic skin type label. Adding a 6th layer at this stage only risks suffocating the cells again. Your skin cells regenerate at 3x the normal speed while you are asleep. This makes deep sleep the most powerful Master Serum in your entire arsenal. You can buy a $500 cream, but 4 hours of sleep will ruin the glow. Natural humectants like aloe vera outperform luxury marketing on off days. A simple clay mask twice a week acts as your professional callus remover. Simplicity isn't just a way to save money, it's medically smarter for you. The most effective routine respects the gatekeepers rather than forcing them. That's why the logic of architecture always beats the hype of consumption. A building doesn't need more bricks, it needs the right ones in order. You are now equipped to be the architect of your own lasting radiance. Stop being a victim of an industry that measures beauty by the bottle. The foundation of a real glow is understanding your own biological rules. Even a short routine can be dangerous if the ingredients are compromised. Next, we'll expose toxic chemicals hidden inside luxury brands you trust. The trace of that one simple choice is still visible in the mirror today.